and putting strength into it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Right? And then you give a really good pox out. You see how you disrupt my whole structure?
Yeah, yeah.
Now, if my arms are like this bamboo quality, they're flexible, okay?
Oh, nice.
Your structure's still good.
Yeah, you feel there's still some forward energy.
Yeah. Like you're there,
Oh,
Yeah.
fantastic.
So that when I remove this is going to immediately go forward. It's not going to be like coming all the way back here and then all the way here.
Yeah.
It's me tomorrow.
yeah.
It's going to be like that.
The whole, two arms are like bamboo, which is something I think people don't always understand, right? It's like the two arms.
Yeah.
It's not just like one arm, two arms.
Right.
It's basically like a
Yeah. So when we're rolling and you give me some,
I feel like that develops into like beer pong pretty quick.
you see how my arms are not,
surprisingly not.
I'm not like,
But
there's forward energy, but I'm not pressing back on you.
Right.
So you
Right.
drink
Because
and
I'm
you play ping pong?
absorbing your energy as we roll.
Right.
Think of a party room filled
Like push hands. You were in Tai Chi.
Mm-hmm.
Remember push hands?
Yeah.
Same principle.
Yeah, that would devolve into beer pong.
Dealing with energy back and forth.
Mm-hmm.
I guess they just don't have class.
Oh, very nice. Last couple of
See how I move your whole structure?
Yeah.
Because you're too stiff here.
Okay.
Sit, relax.
But I still have to do the techniques correctly.
Yeah, well, there's the rub, right?
Flexible isn't sloppy.
Right, right, exactly.
And you show
Flexible doesn't mean that your arms are collapsing like this.
Right.
done.
No, no, no.
Right? Because if that happened, like you give me pressure here, if this happened, see, yeah,
Then I've hit you already.
yeah. So by the time before you get me that far,
Step out of the way.
see, I turn.
I would
Uh-huh.
think more to get
You
my
attack
here because you're on your side.
Okay.
No, but I'm already like stuck here, so.
So I don't let you, press me and get me all the way back here.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Right?
Oh,
There's a little give here, but at some point I turn.
You do something.
Right, right.
Okay.